What up, boys? We're back and it's snowing. Holy shit, dude. I'm gonna warm up my bike for now. I can't even open it. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Dude, it's not even turning on. Okay, fucking, let's see. That's funny. Dude, is that cold outside?
One eternity later.
What up, boys? I got it on. I finally got it on, but holy crap, it's snowing, dude. Only reason I'm wearing my boots like this is so my pants don't get wet, so don't making fun of me. This is how I actually wear my boots, okay? So y'all don't think I'm crazy. Ah, let's go, boys. Let's get it started. Let's see if I can even get past this right here. I'm a little scared, honestly. My mom doesn't agree with this. What is that? I don't know what that was, bro. I hope you guys heard that. Oh well, it'll both out. Holy shit, guys. Okay, let's go down this slowly right here. I don't want to die or anything. I kind of do want to see if I can do some kind of burnout. Okay. Holy guys, it's really snowing out here. That's crazy. Holy shit. Okay, that was a bad idea. We're definitely gonna need more fucking speed. Okay. Get back! Get back! Oh, my tires are muddy! Red middle, yeah! Okay. Okay, there. Did I really just kill her? Okay. She's suffering a little here. Holy shit! Oh! Okay, I need. Holy crap! This doesn't even look real. Oh my god! Bro, that just slid out! Bro! I can't even go straight, dude! Oh! Bro, she just slips! I got this. Oh! I don't got this! Oh! Bro, she slides everywhere! Oh! God damn! It's cold! Oh, my fingers! Oh, they're gonna freeze! Okay. Oh! God damn it! What am I in? Third gear? Holy shit. That's why. Oh my god, I'm just gonna circle. Okay. Oh! Oh shit! Okay, guys, I'm going in here. That's a hill. Oh shit! Okay, don't give it throttle. That's a bad idea. It just slips out. I'm okay. Woo, baby, let's go! A triple! It's kind of relaxing though, no cap. A wolf. I mean, I wonder if there's any. Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! God damn! Oh, that was intense, boys. Okay, you know what? Now I know. Turn on, motherfucker. Okay, maybe it's because this shit's off. The tip sensor or whatever. Oh, dude, I actually ate it pretty bad there. Okay, nice. See, it's not bad on here at all. It's actually way easier. Alright, we're gonna get back off. I wonder how cold that pool is. Cops are probably busy right now, so they probably won't see me. Or hopefully not. See, driving in snow conditions isn't that bad. See, my back doesn't even slip out like it would normally. I wonder if they know they left it open. That's because it's hard with boots, because they can't see, they're all messed up. I have to wash them too, it's okay, it'll be fine. They're boots after all. I found a lot of people out though, honestly. I feel like I'm one of those people that are out but shouldn't be out, but like is out, so like fuck it. I go so slow when I do that, it's not even funny. What is that noise? That's my tire. There's a lot of water, mate. Go Moose. Off-roading was a horrible idea. It was kind of fun, but I ate a lot of ass, and that was not fun. You know how bad these streets are gonna be? There's gonna be holes everywhere. Holes. Look, you see? Ah! Okay, sorry, man. You scared me a little. That nigga slid, dude. I hope you guys saw that, dude. I really do. Oh, that was funny. That wasn't funny. That was kind of scary, actually. But that is crazy. My guy actually slid. Oh, that is crazy. Oh my god. I can't believe I just saw that. Ow! Sorry, the floor is in my face. Blah, 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 blah. This is gonna be kind of scary right here. Actually, turning. Oh! Dude, I almost died there. I was sliding, dude. Dude, that was scary. Dude, I almost ate it 2 times on this street, bro. That is crazy. How did that even happen? I'm not even pressing anything. I didn't press the brake or anything. But look at the ground, dude. It's all like muddy. That is crazy. Oh, you wait! Oh, that scared me! I really thought I was gonna die there. Dude, if I can ride in snow, I can ride in anything! I'm a god! Yeah, like, whatever. Julie? Oh my god, dude, that Julie has no business riding in here. I mean, like, it has a lot of business, like it's super easy for it to ride, you know what I mean? It's super hard to talk when you're like trying to concentrate on not dying and then like being cold as fuck, like you're freezing your ass off. Oh, getting over this right here is so scary, dude. Sketchiest thing of my life. I don't even like doing it. You see right here, I'm just gonna follow these tracks right here. Everything should be fine. I feel like they reprogram these lights because before they wouldn't stay on for this long. You know what I mean? Okay, right here we'll just take it real easy, real slow. See, it's all just mud, dude. Oh, it's getting cold. Yeah, I'm definitely going back now. Oh, that was kind of crazy, guys. See that? He definitely had his camera out, dude. I love that. That is awesome. You see, that's why I want to go out. I want to see more people do that. I want to see reactions, bro. Oh, I could definitely take this to work and I'd be fine. I'd be absolutely fine. Just kidding. I don't know about absolutely fine. And maybe I wouldn't be that fine. I love this. This is awesome, dude. Like, how many people get to do this? Not a lot, dude. That's what I'm saying. Nice and good. Good day, mate. He likes it. He loved it. He loved my idea. How am I gonna do this without dying? Oh! Thank you, Mom. Oh! 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 That was just me slipping. Ah! Finally, some freaking actual floor that won't get me killed. That was awesome, dude. Oh! Look at my... Oh no, my pegs! Dude, oh, okay, I thought my kickstand was frozen. I was like, no freaking way. Holy shit, dude. Oh, shit. Huh? Look. Oh my god. Everything is frozen. Dude, I want to see what happens if I pop a balloon here. Just one. Because I know you guys are curious too. Oh, that's weird. That's kind of cool. What are these? Skittles? Why are they melted? It's crazy. She's like, wow. See, she's fine. She has her little sweater on. What up, guys? So, I'm at work. Oh, there my lights. Okay. What's up, guys? And I tried sticking some, like, my GoPro mount on my car, and I was like, it's cold, so that's a bad idea. But I got my heat gun, and I warmed up my, like, the sticky, like, the adhesive. I was like, it's gotta work, you know? And then I put it on, and I was like, okay. And I was putting pressure, and then I tried putting the GoPro on, and it just fell off, and I was like, so there goes that. I'm probably going to buy a new one, but other than that, I think that's gonna be it for this video. There's a lot of car shows coming up. I'll see. There's supposed to be one today, but it's pretty bad out. Like, it's really snowy, and it's probably gonna get colder and icy. So we'll see how that goes.